If you need a last-minute piece of decor, follow along to make your own spooky Halloween bouquet. You need faux flowers, plastic eyeballs, a hot glue gun, skeleton hand salad tongs, white spray paint, and a vase. Start by spraying your vase white. While the vase dries, use your hot glue gun to attach the plastic eyeballs to the middle of each flower. Add the flowers to the vase. I also used some faux floral spring of green and purple glittery branches to add a little dimension. Use the salad tongs to tie everything together. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.